going to walk you through all the things you need to know about MT4, how to set up your MT4, and then how to navigate, how to enter trade, how to set stop loss, take profit, how to trade stop loss, how to input your broker, and all. So it's going to be a long ride. Welcome to Amber FS channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this useful information to your loved one. So the first thing you need to know is what is MT4. So let's dive deep into what is MT4. That is Metatrader 4. So let's check the Google opinion on it. So now it says is Metatrader 4, also known as MT4, is an electronic trading platform widely used by online retail foreign exchange speculative trader. So it was developed by Metaco Software, released in 2005. The software is licensed to foreign exchange broker who provide the software to their client. So let's check another definition. So I just want to give you what the definition you can get familiar with. So this one says, these are the likely questions about MT4. So this one says, is Meta4 real or fake? So, and the answer goes like, MT4 and MT5 are completely safe and legitimate platform many top brokers use. So they are legitimate platform many top brokers use. So that is it. So does Metatrader 4 cost money? Metatrader 4 is completely free to use. So you can download it in your Play Store, in your Apple Store. So whether you have a demo account or live. That said, you can still incur trading cost charges by your broker in the form of spread and commissions when you buy or sell securities such as forex and CFD. So which means that MT4 is a trading platform that you use to execute your trade, and that does not mean it's not different from your broker. MT4 is different from your broker. Your broker give you the login details and you log it in on the platform, which is MT4 or MT5, and it varies with different brokers. So some brokers have it in their platform, so they will tell you to choose. Maybe you want to use MT4 or you want to use MT5. So it now depends on you which one you are familiar with, which one that you use often. So most traders choose MT4 because they are familiar with MT4 very well. So they choose MT4 to execute their trade, while some are familiar with MT5, so they choose MT5. So let's say your broker give you login, and then they will actually put it in their platform. Any device you see what suits your design in their platform. Like this now, this is Alt Forex, and then this is the MT4 for various devices. So this one is for desktop. This one is for multiple accounts. That is for multi-terminal. So this one is web trader. This one is iPhone. If you want to download from iPhone, that's it. Just click here. It will take you to Apple Store. For iPad, for Android, and then the other one. So anything you need there, it's in the broker's dashboard. So most brokers do this. They will give you all the details you need. Maybe the one that suits your mobile, or the one that suits your PC, or the one that suits your computer. So that is the one they will give you to trade. So you just click on it, you download it, and then that is it. So they will give you login details. You will use maybe after you register the broker, you open an account with them. You have the login details, and then you log into any one of it you download that is suitable for your mobile. So let's start with the installation of Metatrader 4. So if you are using Android or tablet, so you go to your Google Play Store, then you search for Metatrader 4. So as you can see, this is Metatrader 4. So you install, you click on installation, so you install it. So let's wait for it to install. So it's actually limited, it's just 10 MB on this device. Some device can be 20, it can be 30, so it depends. On iPhone you go to Apple Store and installed it. So let's wait for it to install. So it has installed. So let's open it. So let's be know that when you open the MT4, it will open a demo account for you automatically. So it said accept the policy. So the terms and conditions, you accept it. Then it will open a demo account for you automatically. So let's click here. So it has opened a demo account automatically with MetaCode software. But there's something I need you to know here. So this one can be dragged down, and then this is how the layout is at default. So this is how it is. This is the candlestick, and then this is the RSI, that is the indicators. So you can remove this. So if you want to remove it, just click on the center of that MT4. When you click on it, click on this F sign. So if you want to remove it again, so let me explain. Click here, just click around here. So when you click around there, then you will, so when you click around there, this is it. Then the next thing to do is to click here, this sign. So when you click that sign, so this is it. Then the next step is click on this. You want to delete the RSI, maybe moving average too, you can delete it. So if you don't want it at default, so just click on it, then check the box right there. So this is it, 1, 2. So we want to delete this, the 2. So just check in, and then undo what, and click back to the delete icon right here. So click on delete. Okay, then you click here. Sorry, this is where you click on. There's a mistake right there. So this place. So it has already tells you that you've selected 2 indicators that you want to delete. So the moving average and the RSI. So after that, then you click here. So it has deleted both. As you can see, both have been deleted. So if you want to now, if you want to do your layouts, let's say you want to set up your layout, you don't like this, so you go to settings. So let's go to settings. So you go to settings, and then the advanced mode. So if you want to use line, if you don't want to use candlestick, if you want to use line charts, click on line chart. You will see that it will change to line chart. As you can see, this is line chart. So if you want to, let's say, back to the candlestick, just click on it, it will change back to candlestick. So there are so many things you can change. You can change the color of the candlestick. So this is where you change the color of the candlestick, the colors. This is where you change it. So the bar up, bar down. You can use, let's say, the foreground. This is the foreground right here. So this is what they mean by the foreground. This is the foreground here, and this is the foreground here. So this is the background here. This one is the background. So that's it. So let's now go and change the foreground and the background to another color. So scroll down, look for the color scheme. So let's change the foreground to white. No, sorry, to black. It's already okay. Let's change it to yellow. Let's use another color. Let's change it to yellow. Done. As you can see, everything here has changed to yellow. So another settings we want to do, let's go back to the color scheme. Let's say we want to make our background white, so just click on white, but most prefer black because of vision, so you can see it clearly. So if you want to change it to white, so this is it is white right there. So, and if you want to remove all this grid line, as you can see, this is grid line. If you want to make it smooth, you come up, you come to down, go back to color. As you can see, you scroll here, see grid. Let me indicate it for you. This is the grid. As you can see, the grid is black. That's why it's showing. So if you blend it with the color of the background, it won't show again. So that is it. So let's click on white. The grid will disappear if you blend it with the color of the background. Done. As you can see, the grid has disappeared. You understand? So you can leave it at default. You know, so many people might not like using this green and then red candle. That is a red for bearish, while it's green for bullish. But so many traders use it like this. They leave it at default. But if you want to change this, just come back to the color and do your settings. Where's the color? Where is the color? Okay, you come back here. So bar down, bar up, bear. So this is what you change. This is what you will change if you want to change the this thing. You change the book candle, the bar down, bar up, and the bear candle. That is what you will change. This for you will change it. So you will match bar up with book candle color, then you match bar down with bear candle color. So that is what you will change right there. So this is the MT4 interface, and then this is the pair. So if you want to add various pair to your dashboard, so just click on this, click on forex, and then you add all the pairs you want to add to your dashboard. As you are clicking on it, it's adding automatically, as you can see. So nothing left. So you go back, you'll see all the pairs you add to your MT4 right there.